Hey, I wanted to show you how you can make a modern piece of home decor using items from Dollar Tree, Target, Walmart. I love the shape of these bowls and cups from Target, but I'm going to be using these glass bowls from Dollar Tree. So this is real easy, real simple to do. I'm going to paint one white and I'm going to paint one black using the spray paint. I love this Bear spray paint right here. So you can see I painted that, let that dry, and then I'm going to go on top of my favorite stone spray paint. I'm going to paint both of those with the stone, just so they can both have the same texture. Once that dried, then I'm just going to hit it with black again for the black one so that it's like an even color. And then I'm going to put the two together. I'm using hot glue, but you can use like a stronger adhesive glue. But this did hold up pretty well. You just want to make sure you line up everything nice and even when you stack those. Let that dry, and then it should look something like this. Now you can fill this with a candle. You can fill this with decor. I left mine just as is, but I hope it gave you some inspiration to go out and create something nice and modern, and all for $2.50.